what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me today. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today I'm switching it up just a little bit. You know, I told y'all I'd be trying to throw in a little outside of hair items or videos on my channel, so that's what we're doing today. So if you've been following me for a while, you may have heard me mention that, you know, I've been rocking press-on nails since the pandemic heavily, and I just don't get my nails done anymore. It's just cost efficient, it's easy, it's convenient for me. And I still get to have cute nails, so I mean it just works for me. It just works. I have done just a few press-on nail type of videos on my channel. I'll go ahead and be sure to list that playlist up here above in the cards as well as down in the description box below. So if it's something you're interested in, go ahead and check that out. So today I'm going to be doing an Amazon press-on nails haul because I just shopped and picked up quite a few sets of press-on nails. And, you know, I just want to showcase them because it may be something you're interested in. I think they're super affordable on Amazon. Now, I haven't purchased them. I haven't purchased press-on nails from Amazon probably since the beginning of the pandemic. And even back then, it was so rare. They were so hard to find back then. I feel like people were scooping them up everywhere because, you know, we couldn't get our nails done no more. So they were very hard to find when the pandemic first began. So now they're fully stocked. You can find all kinds of press-on nails on Amazon. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing today. Just showing you a few of the sets that I purchased. They're pretty much spring related since, hello, we just hit spring. Hello, spring. My favorite season of the year. I love me some spring. I'm one of those that I don't really have to fight like allergies and all that, so I love spring. It's like the perfect weather. I'm summer baby born, but I love spring and summer. Spring a little bit more because it's not so hot, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead and dive right on into this press-on nails haul. All right, so the first set of nails are these like super cute nude and marble. Nude marble. They're long and they're in the coffin shape. Super cute. I'm gonna take them out this box. And I'm really doing that to see whether or not it comes with glue. Just, you know, for FYI, that may be important to you, it may not be. It's not necessarily important for me because I always have glue on hand. This set does not come with glue at all, but they're super cute. And it also comes with like the little sticky tabs as well as a little nail file. So I don't ever use the stickies, but you know, just in case somebody does. So these were only $8.99 on Amazon, and I really love the marble look. I think these are super cute. Now, this length is a little long for my liking, but that's never a problem for me either because I'll just take my little handy dandy nail clipper here. Yeah, just one of these. You can get these anywhere, any drugstore, these little nail clippers, or even Amazon, and just clip that thing right on off. So that's what I normally do. That's what I did for these. These were also bought in this haul, but I already have them on. And I clip these down as well and just file them because they're just too long. Like, my daily life, I have to do way too much typing. And when they're super long like that, it gets in the way of my typing. Like, I am literally like this. Like, and oh God, that's the most annoying thing ever when I gotta type like this. Like, oh my God. Because the nails are just too long and they're sliding all over the place. It's just too much for me. So, all right, so that's that set. So here's the next set. You see these spring colors? I think those are pretty. And you know, these are, if you don't know, like pink and blue are like two of my fave colors. And you can see them like all over my social media, even in my glam room. Like, those are just my go-to. So let me take these out. This set that also does not have glue, but you can see the different colors in there. It has like yellow and orange. I'm trying to get that glare. Super pretty. I just like colorful. Like, I am your colors chick all day, every day. Like, I love colors. These are also very long and probably will be getting cut. Yeah, these are another set of long coffins. Coffin is like one of my favorite I guess nail style, but I prefer them in a medium. Like, I can get them in a long and I'll just cut them, but I do prefer medium length. I purchased these for $8.99 as well. I feel like that's very affordable. It's the exact same price you're gonna find in the drugstore. So now the set I'm wearing were also long coffin, and these were actually $9.99, so just $1 more. I mean, it's just depending, you know. This is what they consider a nude abstract, so yeah, it was $9.99. Still affordable. All right, so this next set is a nice, pretty purple or like lavender spring color here, and it's like an ombre look. These are also considered long coffin, but to me they appear a little more medium coffin, like how I cut mine down, the nails that I'm currently wearing. They weren't that long in my opinion, not compared to the other set. Like those were long. And this set actually came with another, you know, nail file, the sticky tabs, and some alcohol swipes. Still no glue. Yeah, I don't think I've come across a pair that has glue yet, but maybe they're figuring you can use the sticky tabs, which I don't use, so. Oh, I forgot to tell you the price. So the price of the purple ombre color is $7.99. A little less. Still around the same ballpark. Like, I told y'all I'm frugal. I'm not spending a whole lot of money on items. So, alright, so before I go any further, let me put out this disclaimer. Please don't judge my makeup. Like, I have been in this makeup all day. So it is looking quite old and stale. But I felt the urge to record, so I was like, you know, if the urge is here, I gotta push forth and go ahead and get this recording done. So don't judge my stale makeup, okay? It's been on my face all day. Alright, you know. Alright, moving on. So the next set of nails, you know, they actually remind me of Easter eggs. And this one actually did come with glue, but look at these. Aren't they like the cutest ever? If this isn't spring friendly, I don't know what is. Looks like super cute little Easter eggs. They call them colorful swirl, but yeah, they look like Easter eggs to me. I think they're really cute. In addition to the glue though, it does come with this little same pack, you know, with the little sticky tabs, some alcohol wipes, nail file, and then the little wooden cuticle pusher. And this set was also $9.99. So these Easter egg looking nails, they're actually in the almond shape and with medium length. So I changed it up a little bit because I do love coffin all the time, but I thought these were super cute. So I decided to try the almond style as well. Now, while I was doing my little shopping on Amazon, I came across several like 3-packs of press-on nails, which they only cost like $13.99. So I thought that was very affordable for 3 packs of press-on nails. And then they had like different variations in styles. So they had like, you know, 3 clusters with all kind of different styles, and you can just kind of look through them and see what styles you like. So let me open this up so I can show you them individually. So this first pair is like a nude with like black swirls all over them. And these are also almond shaped in medium length. And it also came with the wooden cuticle pusher and a nail filer. No glue. Just need that to be clear because I don't want y'all expecting glue to be in here. Kind of got to have your glue on hand with these Amazon nails, I'm starting to notice, alright? Okay, so this next set is very similar to the black swirl I just showed you. It's just that it's like nude in color, but with the orange swirls. Same style of nail with the almond shape and in medium length. But super cute, right? It just all screams spring to me. I think it's super cute. And it also has a nail file and little wooden stick, I'm gonna start calling it. And then the third pair and last pair are also almond shaped and medium length. And I felt like these were springy and cute as well. These are what these look like. Cute, right? Alright y'all, well I hope you enjoyed this different kind of video. Those are all of the nails that I purchased in my little Amazon press-on nail haul. Let me know down in the comments which pair was your favorite. Are you a press-on nail wearer, or have you started getting your nails done again? Or do you do your own doggone nails? Or do you just go natural and just get like, you know, just wear your own natural manicured nails? Or even unmanicured. What type of nail chick are you? Let me know down in the comments below. I will try to link all of the nails that I mentioned here in this video down in the description box, so feel free to check that out as well. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me these little nails emoji right here down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I love and appreciate you for that. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you all in the next video.